It is day 81 of filming myself every day. So this morning, we have to go back to Curry's PC World. We have to take the TV back. I'm going to put a little video up on screen now for how my TV is looking. There's a big crack right down it. So we need to take it back and get a replacement. So we're going to do that now, and then we're going to set up the Xbox, set up the TV. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing after that. So I shall see you in a bit. So I'm here at Curry's now. I'm going to go in and tell them that I need to take a TV out of my car. So there we are. I shall see you in a bit. So we are back in the car now, and we've got a new TV again. We're going to be. It was very, very quick process. They just took it back and then they just gave me a new one straight away. So we're going to set off back now and then set up the TV. So I shall see you when I'm home. I have now set up the Xbox and the TV, and it's just doing an update. So I'm taking Bowie out for a walk while it does the update, and then when we get back, we can start playing some games and have some food. So I shall see you when we get home. For the first meal of the day, I have some ravioli and some toast. Just nice, simple, easy meal before work. So that's hot. I'll eat this. And then get ready for work. So I shall see you in a bit. So I am here in the bedroom now with the TV set up and the Xbox set up. So we are going to be getting this video edited and uploaded, and I will see you tomorrow.